cruising is for all ages, even people my age, over 60. And as you get even over 60, you know, things slow down and you need assistance walking if you're a slow walker or you have mobility issues. And I'm here with Andrew, the president and CEO of the Special Needs Group. Andrew, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Thank you for having me.
It's nice to be here, and your products make cruises very, very enjoyable for people who are slow walkers.
That's right. We want to introduce a new line that we're working with. So a regular wheelchair would normally weigh about 50 pounds.
Right. And what about this one?
This one, 19 pounds.
Let me try that. 19 pounds.
And let me just show you. The wheels pop off.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
So once the wheel is off, it only weighs 13 pounds.
Super light, and that's really nice when you're on a cruise ship to move around, getting on and off the ship.
That's right.
And what about this one here? This is a
and then regular scooters weigh about 110 pounds.
Right.
And this one only weighs 37 pounds.
Wow.
But not only that, you can
oh, it stores very easily. Wow.
Put it in the corner.
Amazing. How many miles to the gallon do you get on this thing? That's fantastic.
Yes,
so,
it's my Tesla.
Can I try this? Can you give me a little test drive on this one?
Of course.
This one. Now, apart from the wheelchairs, you have a lot of other products that you offer for cruise passengers, correct?
We do.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, that's the beach wheelchair.
Okay.
We also have oxygen. So oxygen is good for hangovers too.
Sure. Oxygen, wheelchairs, and you service all the ports, or many of the ports around the world.
We're in 70 different countries.
Wow.
In 217 different metropolitan areas. So like Paris is not a cruise port, but we're there.
And for people to learn more about you, obviously it's specialneedsgroup.com.
That's right, specialneedsgroup.com.
Andrew, I'd love to have a test drive on this. If you don't mind me pushing around.
Have a seat.
If you could push me around the show, and then we'll go on to Delray Beach.
Yeah, I like pushing you
Here
around.
we go, let's go. Bill Panoff here for Cruise Control with Andrew Garnett, the Special Needs Group. See ya.